Alright, this is my nice little hook knife from Blackberry Forge. Beautiful little guy. Now, I'm just making this quick video because I posted something on Instagram yesterday about the inside curve, the outside curve. These can be difficult to sharpen or to hone, and so I just wanted to make something, talk about that a little bit. It's a quick little jig that I made up. I guess you want maybe a jig, maybe accessory, I don't know. But the curvature here, I don't know if you can see that well enough. I'm trying to make it so the camera will make it so that it's viewable. Anyways, this curvature right here is the same curvature from the knife itself, and it's something I used this process to get enough material out of there, even though the knife wasn't super sharp, but it was sharp enough to get to this point. If you have one knife and you're wanting to make one of these and it's not sharp enough so that you can remove material quickly like that or decently like that, you can use another gouge or whatever, and then you can even sand or use whatever process you want to make that so that it fits the same shape as whatever knife that you have. And you're not trying to make it so deep so that the whole of this sits down in there. You just need to have the same curvature as what you have. And I made this because I had trouble keeping a stone or whatever I'm using consistent when I'm coming around here if I'm working on the outside of this bevel. So, and I thought of this, and it made it much easier for me to set the blade there into it, and I'll look at the front edge of the blade towards me, and just when it reaches and touches the material, I'll just rotate it like this, and I keep a consistent angle, and so I'm not dubbing it over and I'm not missing the actual angle itself. So it's something that it did seem like it sharpened it up or honed it up quite nicely and quite quickly. And I made one, this angle or curvature is pretty small, but it's something that matches the curvature on the inside part as well. And to do that, I just did this kind of number on the end of the wood, just pressed it in, and then I brought it back to that line so that I know for sure that that curvature is the same curvature as what's in here, even though it looks smaller, the radius, but it's still the same radius. One last thing. You can use whatever you would like to in here, kind of hunting compounds and whatnot. I used the stuff that came with my Tormek. And it's something that, if anyone has a Tormek, the tube lasts a long time. I've had my Tormek for well over 7 years, and this stuff is what you put on the leather wheel that turns on the Tormek to bring it up to the final hone. And this stuff really does cut the metal quite nicely and brings it up to a very good sharpness. So I just thought I would share that part as well. You can get it at Woodcraft or Highland or whomever that is selling the Tormeks, and it's something that I don't remember how much a tube of it is, but anyways, it's just another alternative if you don't already have a solution. So thanks for watching. I hope that this helps. I know that it can be a little bit difficult to get these knives to their full potential, or if it arrives with its full potential after you've used it for a while, then it's not quite as capable and it's just not as much fun then. So hopefully this will help everybody that is having a little bit of trouble to go ahead and get it honed up and have the most fun making spoons or whatever you're making. Thanks for watching. This is Lee Laird from Lee Laird Woodworking.